You'd probably think an AI model has one setting, which model you picked. Smarter model, better answers. There's a second dial, and almost nobody touches it. It decides how much work the model does before it replies. Same model, same question, and a completely different answer comes back. Picture one very capable person at a desk. 3 requests land in front of them. What's 17 times 23? Find the mistake in this spreadsheet. Redesign how our whole team works. You wouldn't want them spending half an hour on the first. You'd be alarmed if they spent 4 seconds on the last. The job doesn't change who they are. It changes how much of themselves they put into it. That's effort. Here's the part that surprises people. A very capable model on its lowest setting can lose to that same model working hard. Not a different model, the same one, given room. So performance isn't just capability. It's capability multiplied by how much work actually gets done. A brilliant person answering in 2 seconds loses to that same person given 10 minutes. Capability sets the ceiling. Effort decides how close you get to it. At low effort, the path is short. Read the question, form a response, answer. Straight through, no detours. At high effort, the path opens up. Understand the problem, form a guess, check it. Notice it doesn't hold, back up. Try something else, verify, then answer. That backing up step is the whole point. Low effort commits to its first instinct. High effort gets to change its mind before you ever see the response. The most useful way to hold this in your head: effort is a budget, low is a small one, high might be several times larger. Those are rough illustrations, not real numbers. And it gets spent on recognizable things. Thinking through the problem, considering more than one approach, planning, checking its own work, trying again when the first attempt fails. A bigger budget doesn't buy a better brain. It buys more of those steps. These two get mixed up constantly, and they're genuinely different. Thinking is about whether the model reasons before answering, and whether you get to see it. Effort is about how much work happens. They combine. Newer systems can decide for themselves whether a question needs thinking at all, and at lower effort, they'll often skip it entirely on easy questions. So low effort doesn't mean no reasoning. It means constrained reasoning. Both are reasoning. Another mix-up, and an easy one to settle. Temperature controls randomness. How predictable or how varied the wording is. Turn it up, you get more surprising phrasing. Turn it down, you get the safe, expected choice. Effort controls work. How much thinking happens before anything gets written? One asks, how adventurously should I choose my words? The other asks, how much should I think before I choose? Effort decides how hard the model works. Context decides what it has to work with. Give it everything it needs but almost no effort, and it misses implications sitting in plain sight. Give it deep effort but leave out the crucial detail, and it reasons beautifully toward the wrong conclusion. Neither rescues the other. No amount of thinking recovers a fact that was never provided. Leave out what mattered, and more effort just produces a more confident mistake. Here's what makes this hard to notice. 2 responses can be the same length and say the same thing. The problem is a missing check. Identical, word for word. Behind them, wildly different amounts of work. One arrived at in a moment. The other after considering 3 possibilities and rejecting 2. You can't see that. Which is why judging how hard a model worked by how much it wrote is a bad instinct. There's a real reason more reasoning helps. These models write forward. Each piece follows from what came before, so an early mistake doesn't stay small. Everything built on top of it inherits the error, and the answer arrives confidently wrong. More effort buys a way out. Instead of committing to the first path, the model follows several, compares where they land, and notices when one contradicts itself. Not magic, just room to check the work. Here's where the obvious conclusion goes wrong. If more thinking helps, more should keep helping. Crank it up, better answers, forever. That intuition is false. What actually happens is real gains at first, then flattening. Past a certain point, you're paying more and waiting longer for an answer that isn't better. Sometimes it gets worse. Researchers have found cases where longer reasoning talked a model out of a correct answer. So where do you land? Do you reach for the most powerful setting every time, or do you ration it? Tell me in the comments. Every effort level is a position on a trade-off. Quality on one side, time and money on the other. Low effort is fast, cheap, and good enough for a great deal of what people actually ask. High effort is slower, pricier, and genuinely better on hard problems. The sweet spot is rarely at either end. Not the maximum, the one that fits the job. Practical version. Reach for low effort on straightforward things, rewriting a paragraph, summarizing something you already understand. Quick lookups. Routine formatting. The work is easy, and you want the answer now. Medium is a sensible default. Most questions are ordinary, and this handles them without making you wait. Save high effort for genuinely hard problems. Multi-step reasoning. Tricky analysis. Anything where being wrong is expensive. The habit worth building is noticing which of those three you're actually in. Now a genuinely interesting question. Which wins? A smaller model thinking hard, or a bigger model barely trying? It isn't obvious, and that's the point. These are two separate dials, and they trade against each other. A modest model given room to work can beat a powerful one answering on instinct. So which model is best is the wrong question. What combination gets me the quality I need, at a speed I can live with? Everything so far assumed a conversation. You ask, it answers. But these systems increasingly do things. Look things up, use tools, work through a task over many steps. And effort means something bigger there. In a conversation, more effort means think harder. In a system that acts, it means explore more thoroughly. Check the results, notice when something didn't work, and try again. That's not thinking harder. That's working more carefully. Which leads somewhere genuinely new. Picture one of these systems working through 100 steps. Some are trivial. Open a file, read a number. A few are hard. Why should every step get the same budget? It shouldn't. Trivial steps should be fast and cheap. Hard ones should get real thought. Researchers are building exactly this. Systems that size up each step and hand it only as much reasoning as it needs. It's early, but the direction is clear. So, 2 dials, not 1. How capable the model is and how hard it works. Most people only ever touch the first. Effort isn't a quality slider where higher is better. It's a budget. Spend it where the problem is genuinely hard, save it where it isn't, and notice that the maximum is usually not the smart choice. Next time you ask for something difficult, ask whether you've given it room to think. Subscribe if this was useful.